Kenyans, like many of its peers across the world, is experiencing the ripple effects of the global energy market disruptions occasioned by the ongoing war in the Middle East. The remarks by the clueless and misguided opposition that the crisis has been manufactured by domestic policy are false, malicious, ill-advised, discordant, and markedly superficial. Hii nchi si mtu mmoja. We are getting concerned that one person will wake up every morning, pick on a subject matter, malign one person after another, and think he can get away because there's a community or some people he appeals to that he will ask to the streets. He's asking for mass action of an international fuel crisis. If Rigiji was sincere, the same way once upon a time he called on Trump to arrest certain people from Kenya, Rigiji should be calling for mass action against Trump and the war criminal Netanyahu. Those are the people who created this crisis, not William Ruto, not the people of Kenya, not trying to put young men to the streets to come and loot and destroy property. Those are the people you should be calling for mass action for.